shall have a few questions for him. Thank you.
I welcome you to the National Resistance Movement Party head office. We invited you to communicate a message which I'm going to read. This message is in a way of a resolution of the Central Executive Committee meeting of the party, which took place yesterday. Resolution number 12/1/140-325 of the 4th Central Executive Committee of the National Resistance Movement. At its 16th meeting held on Friday, 14th March 2025 at Entebbe, the 4th Central Executive Committee of the National Resistance Movement Party received and discussed the results of the Kawempe North constituency by-election. Aware of the pillars of the National Resistance Movement, organization and party, which are patriotism, Pan-Africanism, socio-economic transformation and democracy, cognizant of the fact that peace, stability and security that Ugandans enjoy today was attained out of protracted people's struggle, mindful of the danger that the country might face or degenerate into if this kind of undemocratic behaviors and practices are not checked, noting that the acts of violence that were reported in the several polling stations within Kawempe North constituency were carried out by supporters and sympathizers of the National Unity Platform Forum, NUP political party, noting further that the cancellation of election results from several polling stations by the Electoral Commission disenfranchised about 50,000 voters, registered voters, from exercising their democratic rights in a free and democratic way. Now, therefore, the Central Executive Committee of the National Resistance Movement Party resolves as follows. 1, that the party totally rejects the results of the Kawempe North constituency that was declared by the Electoral Commission. 2, that the party calls upon government to carry out a forensic audit to bring all the culprits who participated and messed up the election to book as soon as possible. 3, that the party instructs its lawyers to immediately challenge the results of the by-election and file an electoral petition in the courts of law. These were the resolutions that the party asked we should make public. Thank you so much. Of the election, we did not have powers to control any security forces. As a party, we were also...
General, thanks for the time. And members of the press, thanks to senior members of the senior top management. Thank you very much. We wish you well. We narrowly lost in Makerere. We are almost there. But there were also issues I wish SECO had also looked into this. It was a narrow escape. And we are closing into victory next time there. Thank you. We shall have a few questions for him.